Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Happy Friday, TGIF. Oh, what a week. All right, last night the culinary expedition was in St. Lucia, where I prepared St. Lucian curry goat. Mm, the house smelled for hours of a beautiful aroma of good old curry. It was a Jamaican curry, to be exact, not East Indian curry. Flavors are very similar. Um, yeah, it was so good. A warning on the goat from Winco: it's mostly bone. Um, Not worth the price, not worth the hassle. So, just yeah, it's not Winco's fault. It's actually the producer, the folks who package. Um, so if you're going to use goat, find it elsewhere. I wouldn't buy the package from Winco. That's just me. The slight change in the schedule. I switched Friday and Saturday. So tonight I'm doing a new soup. This is a creamy mushroom and wild rice soup. Robin really likes wild rice, so that's why I put this soup recipe together. And I think with this north wind and as chilly as it is, tonight is going to be good soup weather. Just like the curry goat was good comfort food from St. Lucia last night. So the teaser for the Four Butters dropped yesterday. I'm going to post it a few more times if you missed it. If not, just search the group or go to YouTube and search YouTube. Yeah, so on this happy Friday, have a great weekend. Have a great weekend and eat great food and have fun cooking.